If you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant on Realme Note 70T, what you can do is you can open the Assistant app that you might have pre-installed. So you can go ahead and open it. You will see this prompt asking you whether you want to open Gemini or switch to Google Assistant. So in that case, you want to press Settings here, and then switch from Gemini to Google Assistant like this and confirm your choice. Now, in addition to that, you can also try to simply use the Gemini app, which in my case, it was not pre-installed. So you might want to also download it from the Play Store. So you can open the Play Store and then search for Gemini. There we go. And you can install it. And once you install it and open it, then you can tap on your profile in the top right corner. And then you should be able to find switch to Google Assistant, which is the same thing. So switch to Google Assistant and confirm your choice. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.